Our eyes are quietly suffering every single day. Screens, stress, poor diet, lack of sleep. All these things slowly damage your retina, weaken the tiny muscles of your eyes, and steal your clear vision without you even noticing. But here's the truth nobody tells you. Your eyes are one of the few organs in your body that can naturally repair themselves. And today, I'm revealing the 8 essential vitamins your eyes desperately need to heal, strengthen, and protect themselves, no matter what eye issue you're facing. Stay with me till the end, because this video will be super helpful for you. 1. Vitamin A, the night vision. If you struggle to see at night, if car headlights bother your eyes, your body is screaming for vitamin A. It protects your cornea, moisturizes the eyes, and stops dryness. Best natural sources: carrots, sweet potatoes, spinach, eggs. Just include these daily, and your night vision will thank you. 2. Vitamin C, the shield for your eyes. Your eyes face constant oxidative stress from screens, sunlight, pollution. Vitamin C works like a shield. It slows age-related vision loss, strengthens eye blood vessels, and boosts collagen around the eye. Best sources: oranges, kiwi, strawberries, broccoli. A simple glass of lemon water a day boosts vitamin C more than you think. 3. Vitamin E, the protector. Every time your eyes feel tired, itchy, or strained, vitamin E steps in to repair the damage. This vitamin protects the cells of your retina, the part that actually lets you see colors and details clearly. Foods rich in vitamin E: almonds, sunflower seeds, peanuts, avocados. Just a handful of nuts can literally save your eyes. 4. Vitamin B complex, the nerve repairers. Do you ever feel sharp tension around your eyes? Or blurry vision when you're stressed? Your optic nerves may be tired. B vitamins, especially B6, B9, and B12, repair these nerves and improve communication between your eyes and brain. Best foods: eggs, lentils, bananas, whole grains. If your vision blurs when you're tired, this is your missing vitamin. 5. Vitamin D, the silent vision booster. This one is shocking. Low vitamin D is directly linked to dry eyes, blurry vision, and even early degeneration of eye tissues. Most people are deficient, without even knowing it. Best source: early morning sunlight, 10 to 15 minutes. Salmon milk. Just fix your vitamin D, and your eyes will feel awake again. 6. Vitamin K, the blood flow. Healthy eyes depend on strong, clean, flexible blood vessels. Vitamin K improves circulation inside the eyes and prevents tiny bleeds that cause blurriness and floaters. Eat more: kale, spinach, broccoli. This will keep your eyes nourished. 7. Lutein and zeaxanthin, the eye filters. These two act like natural sunglasses inside your eyes. They filter blue light, protect your retina from damage, and keep your vision crisp. Found in kale, spinach, corn, egg yolks. If you use mobile or laptop all day, you need these. 8. Omega-3 fatty acids, the lubricator. Dry eyes, burning, watering? That's a clear sign your eyes lack omega-3. They keep your eyes moist, repair damaged cells, and even support tear production. Sources: chia seeds, walnuts, salmon, flax seeds. Dry eyes disappear when omega-3 goes up. Your eyesight is not gone forever. Your eyes heal every single day, but only if you feed them what they need. Add at least 3 of these vitamins daily, and you'll feel the difference within weeks.